Today, I'll be discussing about a product that I believe most of our migrant workers are not really familiar with. And this is the OFW Insurance. So, ano nga ba talaga itong OFW Insurance? Hi everyone, this is Jason Gutierrez again from Rampver Financials. Okay, before I begin, I would like to thank all of the people who have liked and subscribed in our YouTube channel. And of course, for those people who have left wonderful and very supportive comments, maraming salamat po. Dahil po sa inyo, we are inspired to continue and create more contents just for you, your friends, and your family, of course. Always remember that without you, our channel will not be as successful as it is now. Kaya please continue to share this channel to people out there and help us inspire more people and help more people out there. Okay? Now, let's start po. Today, I'll be discussing about a product that I believe most of our migrant workers are not really familiar with. And this is the OFW Insurance. So, ano nga ba talaga itong OFW Insurance? This is an insurance coverage that is specifically designed for our Filipino migrant workers. And it provides protection against natural or accidental death, even disability, medical repatriation, or evacuation, and even more. Now, this insurance coverage is actually in compliance with RA 1022 or the Migrant Workers and Overseas Filipino Act of 1995, which promotes and improves the welfare of our migrant workers and their families. Now, under Section 37-A, all migrant workers that are being dispatched by a manning agency or a recruitment agency should have a compulsory insurance coverage under this act. Now, that being said, lahat po ng mga dinidispatch nating migrant workers, dapat po libre po yung insurance coverage nila. Ang sumasagot po niyan should be the recruitment agency or their employer abroad. Now, for those who are agency-hired migrant workers, please know your rights. Kindly please review your contract. It should be there and try to review it. Okay? Now, before I proceed with the benefits of this product, I would like to categorize first yung different kinds of migrant workers natin. Number one would be our land-based agency hired. Ito po yung pangkaraniwan na dumadaan ng ating mga recruitment agency or mga manning agencies natin. Okay? Sila po yung nagpapadala ng mga tao abroad. Now, we have a second type of land-based migrant workers, which are the direct hired and then the rehired. Yung mga direct hired, doon na po sila. Wala na pong manning agency. Diretso na po silang binigyan ng employment from that sponsoring country. Now, the rehired naman, ito po yung mga nagustuhan ng dumaan muna sila ng agency at nagustuhan yung performance nila ng kanilang amo and then ni-rehire po sila. Parang ni-recontract po sila. So, yan po yung isang category ng land-based migrant workers. And the third category would be the sea-based migrant workers. Ito po yung mga seafarers natin or yung mga migrant workers natin na nagtatrabaho sa mga cruise ships natin. Okay, now, let's now proceed with the specifics of this benefit. Okay, ano nga ba mga benefits na pwedeng matanggap ng isang migrant worker under this OFW insurance? Okay, let's start with the natural death insurance. So in the event po na mamatay ang ating membro or ang ating migrant worker, ang family po niya ay makakatanggap ng $10,000 po. So if you convert that into peso, it's almost 500,000 pesos din po yan. Now, in the event po na mamatay ang ating migrant worker due to accident, may karagdagang benepisyo po yan para sa kanyang pamilya. Instead na $10,000 po, ang matatanggap po ng pamilya is around $15,000 po. Now again, if we convert it into peso, it's almost 750,000 pesos din po yan. Okay? Now, in the event po na ma-disable ang ating migrant worker, okay? makakatanggap po siya ng as high as 7,500 US dollars po. Depende po kasi yan kung anong klaseng disability ang kanyang may incur. So pag nawalan po ng kamay, naputulan ng paa, nawalan ng pandinig, or nawalan ng eyesight, may karampatang benepisyo po yan. But as high as 7,500 US dollars po tayo. Okay? Now, next benefit would be the repatriation cost insurance. So ano po ba ito? If the migrant worker becomes terminated because of death, now, the actual cost po ng pagpapauwi ng mortal remains ng ating migrant worker, sasagutin po yan ng insurance company. Okay? Now, in the event naman po na na-terminate ang ating migrant worker without just, valid, or authorized cause under the law or by defined by the contract, the insurance company will also pay for all the cost ng pagpapauwi sa ating migrant worker, including po yung personal belongings po niyan. So, next po would be, okay, our subsistence allowance. If our insured is involved in a case or a litigation, okay, the insurance company will provide $100 per month, okay, in the next 6 months po. So, parang tulong pinansyal po yan ng insurance company while our migrant worker has an impending case po. And of course, kailangan po nandun pa po siya sa foreign land kung saan siya employed. Okay? Now, next would be our compassionate visit. In the event po that the migrant worker gets hospitalized for at least 7 days, the migrant worker is entitled to a compassionate visit by one of its family member. Okay? Now, the insurance company or the insurance provider will now, okay, take care of the actual cost of the plane ticket, back and forth po yan. And of course, hindi naman pwedeng business class. Economy lang po ang bibili nila for the family member. Okay? Actual cost po yan. Babayaran po ng insurance company yan. Okay? And ang kagandahan po kasi is that hindi kailangan na family member. Kung sakaling wala ka ng family member na natitira sa Pilipinas or hindi makalipad ang iyong family member, pwede ka pong mag-elect ng isang trusted friend or any friend that you have or people that you know or someone that you know na pwede pong pumunta doon sa country kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Ayan po yung kagandahan ng compassionate visit. Next would be the medical evacuation. So for example, nagtatrabaho ka po sa isang probinsya, sa isang bansa, and nung na-aksidente ka or nagkaroon ka ng sakit, hindi po mabigyan ng lunas ng hospital doon sa area mo. Now, na-define po ng doktor na kailangan kang ilipad or idalihin sa ibang hospital na medyo malayo, okay, para sa inyong karampatang lunas. Yung actual cost po ng repatriation mo or evacuation mo ay sasagutin po ng insurance company. So kung sakaling kailangan kang i-airlift, yung cost po ng pag-i-airlift sa'yo ay sasagutin po ng insurance company. Okay, di ba ho? Maganda? Now, next will be our medical repatriation. So, if medically necessary and bigyan ka naman ng clearance, pwede ka pong pauwiin sa bansa mo or dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? At the cost or the insurance company will be the one to shoulder it. Okay. So, as you can see, lahat ng po ito ay kasama po sa insurance to, and it is being defined by law that you should be covered with this. Okay? And it's very cheap lang po kung tutuusin. And kung mapapansin nyo po, yung insurance coverage po na meron tayo ay a combination of a life insurance and actually a non-life insurance po. Okay? So, ganun po ka-comprehensive itong OFW insurance natin. Now, on top of this, I would just like to highlight why this is good, and this is for every migrant worker that we have. Because, number one, ang highlight po nito ay guaranteed approval and issuance po tayo. So, as long as you are eligible migrant worker, you can avail this product. And it will be approved, no? And on top of that would be, there is no medical exam needed. Unlike po when we're applying for a regular insurance product po, no, kailangan po natin mag-undergo ng medical exam. Depende po yan sa klase ng insurance na ina-applyan natin or kung gaano po kalaki ang insurance coverage na ina-applyan natin. Now, even if you're not here in the Philippines, okay, you can apply anywhere and anytime po. Again, as long as you are an eligible migrant worker po. Okay? So you can apply anywhere, anytime. Even if you are rehired directly dun sa foreign country, pwede ka pa rin po mag-submit ng application mo and you can still renew your insurance coverage po. Alright? Now, everything, okay, all of the benefits, all of this insurance coverage, kung magkano po siya, ito na po. It's just around $55 po. Okay? Forever, we are catering actually to direct hired or rehired land-based migrant workers. And of course, for sea-based migrant workers na wala pong existing na insurance coverage, we can also cater to them. But of course, for sea-based migrant workers, iba po kasi ang premium rate niyan. Definitely higher than the $55 that I've said a while ago. Alright? Now, sino po ba yung mga eligible dito sa OF insurance natin? Now, a migrant worker who is 18 to 65 years old are eligible. They can apply for this insurance. Now, on top of that, they should be in good health, of course, even if there's no medical insurance or medical exam. And again, you should establish that you are a migrant worker by having a contract with at least 6 months validity, and of course, you have your working visa. Okay? Now, in terms of the requirements po, madaling-madali lang po siya. You'll just have to submit your application form. Okay? You need to submit your valid passport with photo and signature. Wag na po nating kakalimutan yung signature kasi kadalasan po, whenever I encounter a passport, okay, hindi po napipirmahan yung passport nila. So, guys, basahin nyo po yung fine print doon. Hindi po valid ang ating passport pag wala pong signature. So, please sign it accordingly. Of course, your work visa or work permit should also be attached on your application, and an employment contract with, again, 6 months validity. Okay? And lastly, you'll just have to pay for the premiums. It's just 55 US dollars. So it's very cheap. It's around 2.5 to 2.7 if you will be converting that into peso. And for 1 year na po yun. Yung $55 po, it's good for 1 year and you will be able to maximize your coverage already at a very low premium po. For our migrant workers who doesn't have any coverage yet or would like to add more to their existing coverage, please avail this. Okay? It's very important. It's again, as I've mentioned during my previous videos, this will give peace of mind to you and your family. Alam niyo po, mahirap po yan. Malayong-malayo ko sa pamilya mo, and if something happens, okay, problemahin nyo pa na, for example, magkasakit ka, at least there's an insurance coverage already that can bring one of your loved ones to the country where you are currently working. And in the event po, no, na may mangyari sa'yo, mawala ka while in the foreign land, alam niyo po, mas mahal po magpa-uwi ng katawan na hindi buhay. Okay? So, at least mawawala na po yung worry na yun. There would be an insurance company that will bring your motor remains to the Philippines. You will have a peace of mind when working out there. Yun po yung very important dyan. And again, habang pinofulfill mo yung pangarap mo sa pamilya mo na naiwan dito sa Pilipinas, if something happens to you, at least may immediate benefits po na pwede mag-fulfill ng mga pangarap mo para sa pamilya mo. Yun po yung importansya ng isang insurance para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. So, again, I hope this video makes a lot of sense, and I hope we were able to help you gain more knowledge about the products that are out there, especially to our migrant workers. Now, if you'd like to know more about this product or to inquire more about this product, so please visit our website. Again, thank you so much po for the support, for the love, for everything, no? And again, please ask more people to subscribe within our channel. We will do more. We will have more videos for you. Please leave your comments, and you can suggest what kind of video would be tackling next. And again, thank you so much. This is Jason Gutierrez again. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all.